For this project, you're going to want to head over to your local Dollar Tree, or you can go online at dollartree.com and type in woven rug, and it'll pull up the 4 options they have available in the 16 by 24 inch. Go ahead and pick your favorite pattern and grab 2 of them. I went ahead and chose this one for the project. And once you get them home, you're going to want to go ahead and clip off any tags or loose string that you see around the edges. Go ahead and layer your 2 rugs together, correct side facing out, and just make sure the hems are all lined up. Nothing's curled in, everything's straight, and then pin around your edges. That'll just keep everything in line and you won't have to worry about movement. You're gonna leave about a 5-inch gap there at the bottom so that you can stuff it later. Starting at the bottom of your opening where you're gonna stuff it, go ahead and sew around the perimeter of your pillow, leaving that 5-inch gap open. It's time to stuff our pillows. I like to go ahead and recycle down my holiday pillows. It's a great way to utilize the stuffing and get the most out of your pillow, or just one that's time to retire. It's so much cheaper than buying polyfill. Highly recommend this option. And go ahead and fill it as much as you want or as little as you want. Personal preference here. You can put this back under the sewing machine and just simply sew this closed, or you can do it by hand like I choose to do. I just find it easier than trying to fight with trying to squeeze it into the sewing machine after it's already full. So go ahead and just close it on up. Put a little knot here on the end to make sure it doesn't come apart. And this is our beautiful finished product. If you like videos like this and want to see more, make sure you like this video and drop a heart below. See you on the next one, friends.